Geotechnical Investigation and Soil Fertility Consultancy and Services by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to another informative session by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss one of the most critical aspects of every successful construction, infrastructure, industrial, renewable energy, mining and agriculture project: geotechnical investigation and soil fertility consultancy. Whether you are planning to construct a manufacturing plant, warehouse, commercial complex, solar power plant, highway, bridge, transmission line, wind farm, residential township, or agriculture project, the success of your investment depends significantly on understanding the soil and ground conditions before construction begins. Ignoring proper geotechnical investigation can lead to foundation failures, excessive settlement, structural distress, project delays, increased construction costs, and safety risks. Similarly, for agricultural and horticultural projects, soil fertility analysis is essential to optimize crop productivity, fertilizer application, and long-term soil health. In this video, we will cover what is geotechnical investigation, why soil investigation is important, soil fertility analysis, field and laboratory tests, applications across various industries, benefits of professional investigation, common mistakes to avoid, how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports projects across India and worldwide. Let us begin. What is geotechnical investigation? Geotechnical investigation is a systematic engineering study conducted to evaluate the physical and engineering properties of soil, rock, and groundwater at a proposed project site. It provides engineers with reliable information required for safe foundation design, structural stability, earthwork planning, ground improvement, construction feasibility, risk assessment. Every construction project begins with understanding the ground beneath it. Without proper soil investigation, even the strongest structure may face serious problems during or after construction. Geotechnical investigations help determine whether the soil is suitable for the proposed structure and identify any necessary ground improvement measures. Why is geotechnical investigation important? Many project failures occur because of inadequate understanding of subsurface conditions. A professional geotechnical investigation helps in determining soil bearing capacity, selecting suitable foundation type, identifying weak soil layers, assessing groundwater conditions, predicting settlement, evaluating slope stability, preventing foundation failures, reducing construction risks, optimizing construction costs, ensuring compliance with engineering standards. Conducting geotechnical investigations at the planning stage saves significant time and money during project execution. Applications of geotechnical investigation. Geotechnical investigation is essential for a wide range of projects including industrial plants, manufacturing units, high-rise buildings, residential projects, commercial complexes, hospitals, educational institutions, warehouses and logistics parks, highways and expressways, bridges and flyovers, railways and metro projects, airports, ports and harbors, solar power plants, wind energy projects, transmission line foundations, oil and gas facilities, water treatment plants, mining projects, dams and irrigation structures. Regardless of project size, geotechnical data is a critical input for safe and economical design. Scope of geotechnical investigation. A comprehensive investigation generally includes site reconnaissance, initial site inspection to understand topography, accessibility, existing structures, drainage, and environmental conditions. Borehole drilling. Drilling boreholes at specified depths to collect representative soil samples. Soil sampling. Collection of disturbed and undisturbed soil samples for laboratory testing. Standard penetration test (SPT). SPT is widely used to evaluate soil strength and relative density. Dynamic Contour Penetration Test (DCPT), used for evaluating subgrade characteristics and pavement design. Plate load test (PLT), determines bearing capacity and settlement characteristics. California Bearing Ratio (CBR), essential for highway and pavement design. Groundwater investigation, determines groundwater level and seasonal variations. Laboratory soil testing, includes moisture content, grain size analysis, Atterberg limits, specific gravity, compaction test, shear strength, consolidation test, permeability test, chemical analysis, soil classification. Soil fertility investigation. For agricultural and horticultural projects, soil fertility investigation is equally important. Healthy soil leads to healthy crops. Soil fertility testing helps determine soil pH, electrical conductivity, organic carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, zinc, iron, copper, boron, manganese, magnesium, calcium, sodium. Based on these results, experts recommend appropriate fertilizer application, soil amendments, and crop selection. This improves productivity while reducing unnecessary fertilizer usage and environmental impact. Benefits of soil fertility analysis. Soil fertility analysis provides several advantages: improved crop yield, balanced nutrient management, reduced fertilizer cost, better water management, improved soil health, sustainable agriculture, enhanced profitability, long-term productivity. For commercial agriculture, plantation, landscaping, and horticulture projects, soil fertility assessment is a valuable investment. Why professional investigation matters? Professional investigations ensure accurate field data, reliable laboratory testing, engineering interpretation, practical recommendations, compliance with national and international standards. A well-prepared geotechnical report helps structural engineers optimize foundation design, reducing unnecessary excavation and construction costs while ensuring safety. Industry served by URGS. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited serves a diverse range of industries including construction and infrastructure, industrial manufacturing, renewable energy, mining and minerals, oil and gas, roads and highways, railways, commercial developments, residential projects, water resources, agriculture and horticulture, smart cities, government projects, EPC contractors, real estate developers. Why choose URGS International? URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited offers comprehensive geotechnical investigation and soil consultancy solutions with a focus on quality, reliability, and timely execution. Our strengths include experienced geotechnical engineers and consultants, comprehensive site investigation planning, borehole drilling and field testing coordination, soil sampling and laboratory testing, foundation design recommendations, soil fertility investigation, ground improvement consultancy, engineering interpretation and reporting, timely project execution, customized consultancy services, cost-effective technical solutions, compliance with national and international standards, pan-India and worldwide service support. Whether your project is located in India or overseas, URGS International provides dependable engineering consultancy tailored to your specific requirements. Our service approach. At URGS International, every project follows a structured methodology: requirement understanding, site visit planning, investigation program, field execution, laboratory testing, data analysis, engineering evaluation, report preparation, technical recommendations, client support during design and execution. This systematic approach ensures accurate results and informed engineering decisions. At last conclusion, a successful project begins with a strong foundation, and a strong foundation begins with accurate geotechnical investigation. Likewise, productive agriculture starts with healthy, nutrient balanced soil. Investing in professional geotechnical and soil fertility investigations help reduce project risks, optimize costs, improve safety, and ensure long-term sustainability. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we are committed to delivering reliable energy consultancy, technical excellence, and practical solutions for projects across industries. Whether you are planning an industrial facility, infrastructure project, renewable energy plant, commercial development, mining project, or agricultural initiative, our experienced team is ready to support you with end-to-end geotechnical and soil consultancy services. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +9173 59458455. Pan India and worldwide service support. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more engineering insights, technical guidance, project consultancy and industrial solutions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next project with confidence and expertise.